Okay, so I just put this song basically because everybody has right to live, and everybody has their own way of love and own way of accepting or expecting from each other. Okay, accepting others, and so LGBTQ, it is a totally a different community. Okay, so earlier we were not talking about it. Nobody is knowing this thing, but अभी ये खुल के सामने आते हैं और people are very much conscious and concerned about their identity, about their sexual behavior. So what is LGBTQ? LGBTQ is a acronym. L for lesbian, G for gay, B for bisexual, T for transgender, and the Q for queer community. So these terms used to describe a person's sexual orientation or gender. So this is they are among they looks like same. They are human being. They looks like us. They are only their orientation, sexual orientation is different. So these are the different signs which are used for the such community. We know the female, male, we know the bisexual, transgender, bisexual. So there are the different acronyms now have been given to these identity. So how to define? So there is a identity from the multiple level. First thing is from the mind level. So what is my identity? Who am I? So it is like first thing is when the child is born, they have either they are having a male or female or the transgender. So but there are few, but after that they behave there in their own way. Some with the identity can be from the mind, their orientation from the love, from heart. What is their orientation? They may love to or attraction to the particular sex. Maybe the female can attract to the female, male can attract to the male, or how they expression. So sometimes kai bar it is not only ki they are born with this such thing, they are in a because of the these social atmosphere, they adopt their this different identity. So how they are expressing feminine, masculine, women, gender, man, biological, female, intersex, male, sexual orientation is different. So sometimes there are many social factors are playing a role. बहुत सारे गाँव में देखा होगा, हमारे यहाँ जैसे मैडम तो बहुत सारी बात करती हैं कि बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. सो बहुत जगह अभी तक ये एक वो है कि एक लड़का होना चाहिए, नहीं हुआ है तो वो लड़कियों को लड़के की तरह से बिहेव कराना शुरू कर देते हैं. उनको लड़के जैसे कपड़े पहनाएंगे, उनको लड़के जैसा सब काम सिखाएंगे, उनके बाल छोटे रखेंगे. So sometimes these type of the people, they think I am a boy. The girl think she is a boy and she behaves like a boy. So not only in a social factor, but gradually her sexual orientation also becomes like a boy. Ki I am a boy, so I love or I can just have sex with the female. So these are the kind of the things. There are a lot of things and there is a need of the lot of deep diving about the history of these, why it is like this. But I will share my experience and I will share what is all there. So lesbian, we will start from the lesbian. Lesbian means the women's sex with the women. So female sexual relationship. So I have seen this in my particular home. My maid, this is the live example. I mean, this is my maid, which is not now, but earlier I was having the maid's daughter, 17-year-old, always used to come in pant shirt, love cycling, don't want to work as maid. मतलब उसकी माँ ने उसको छोड़ा कि तुम घर में काम कर लो, पर उसे नहीं अच्छा लगता था. वो उसे साइकिलिंग करना, उसे घूमना, उसे लड़कों की तरह मतलब वो उसी तरह से बिहेव करना. Was close to her मौसी's daughter. They used to come. वो दोनों साथ में आती थी. कई बार जब मैं उनको उसको रखा हुआ था तो उसकी मदर ना सब्जियां काटने के लिए अपनी लड़की को भेज देती थी. सो दे बोथ कम टुगेदर. सो मैंने पूछा ये कौन आती है. लेटर वो उसको नहीं, मेरी बहन है. लेटर केम टू नो अबाउट देयर रिलेशनशिप, क्योंकि उसकी मदर ने ही पकड़ा. शी कॉट देम, बीट देम ब्रूटली, send niece back to her home. Okay, send her daughter from the different treatment with Molvis, Ved, Hakim, Tantric, etc., etc. उसने कहा इसको कोई ऊपरी साया हो गया है और ये जो है इसलिए ऐसा कर रही है। बट दैट गर्ल जो हमारे यहाँ आती थी वो भागकर उसके गांव चली गई जहां पर उसकी मौसी की वो रहती थी। वहां पर भी दे वर कॉट इन इंडल्जिंग इनटू द सेक्सुअल रिलेशनशिप एंड शी वाज थ्रोन फ्रॉम द बिल्डिंग, मतलब छत से उसे नीचे गिरा दिया और उसको चोट वोट आई। फिर उसने फिर वही ट्रीटमेंट के लिए शुरू किया एंड फोर्सली आई जस्ट उसने मुझसे शेयर किया, भाभी ये कोई बीमारी होती है, मैं कहाँ इलाज कराऊं। So tried to counsel the mother because we know कि this is a different orientation, but she was unable to understand and thought this is a disease और कोई आत्मा उसके अंदर आ गई है। Forcefully married that girl, but she got married also. She has given a birth to a daughter, but she again left the husband, again ran away, and now living with that girl only. So this is what is the sexual orientation, personality orientation, and how the people behave. So you can just, it is about to notice, you can find out in your surroundings so many. Gay, MSM or bisexual, what are they? Gay or MSM, man having sex with men. So it is very common now. In the last 5-6 years, I am just getting a lot of patients who are the gay or MSM. Or the bisexual. Bisexual means ki having the sex with both male and female. They have their own family, बच्चे भी हैं, but उनके मेल पार्टनर भी हैं outside the family. So that is again very common, and the most risky person are the bisexual person, as per the concern of the STD we are talking about. So transgender, we all know this is the Hijra community. So this is also, I have an example, 34-year-old admitted. This is a long, जब पुष्पांजलि क्रॉसले शुरू हुआ था तभी की बात है. So old transgender admitted in the hospital with the chronic liver disease, hepatitis B positive, tested for HIV, came out to be positive. I have communicated with the Hijras first time. I mean, it was my first experience, because पहले जैसे सबको डर लगता है, मुझे भी डर लगता था कि ये कौन आ गए हैं, बस हमने तभी सुना था कि घर में शादियों में आते हैं and they are risky people. But the first time I encountered a very humble, polite person, एंड जो उसके साथ भी आते थे हिजरा, देयर वर वेरी, मतलब कभी उन्होंने किसी चीज के लिए कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं किया, वेरी रेस्पेक्टफुल. So society looked them differently. So I was also having that image and very sick and wanted to live. So I have handled her with the empathy, counsel the staff also कि don't like behave them with the differently, because वहाँ पर एकदम अचानक से अगर हॉस्पिटल में इस तरह का कोई आ गया तो बहुत ही एक डिफरेंट माहौल हो जाता है. And even I was also like that earlier. So she was having HIV but cirrhosis, but she died. Unfortunately, she died with the liver failure. So commercial sex worker, I mean, these are not a part of this LGBTQ, but they are very much into about, if we are just talking about the STD, so that's why I have taken this CSW population, commercial sex worker. Again, the 19-year-old beautiful, these are my personal experience, 19-year-old beautiful girl came in the OPD with her so-called boyfriend with the HIV positive report in hand and in the tears. In history revealed multiple sex partner on road. She was on road commercial sex worker, not at any place. So it was in Lakshmi Nagar area, for earning money on her own and with own choices and conditions. So मतलब कि मैं जिससे के साथ मेरा मन करता है मैं उसी के साथ जाती हूँ, not कि with everyone. So having sex often without condoms, as many young men do not want to use the condom, and they give this girl this disease. And as per the history, she again ki I don't have any bed earner in the family, so I am just I have to do this thing. So that is again their profession, maybe with the situation, maybe so we should. I'm just giving the example ki we should look them with the empathy. We should handle them with the empathy. So only reason is to explain these things in this way. So queer is a which was LGBT. ट्रांसजेंडर के बाद जो क्यू वर्ड आता है, क्यूर इज इट्स स्टिल अननोन. मतलब क्यू का मतलब ये क्वेश्चन मार्क कि व्हाट इज दिस सेक्सुअलिटी, वी डोंट नो, वेरी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल पीपल. तो सेक्सुअल ओरिएंटेड, दे कैन बी एसेक्सुअल, दे कैन बी बाइसेक्सुअल, दे कैन बी हेटेरोसेक्सुअल, दे कैन बी होमोसेक्सुअल, और few are the unknown sexual orientation. So that's why this term has been given to the queer, because बहुत सारी जो personalities हैं उनको कोई अपना place नहीं मिला, so that is queer. Even उसके बाद भी आजकल इस term को भी बदल दिया गया है LGBTQ+. So in the plus again there are lot of a lot of orientations are coming which are unknown or which are not had any place in the society. So, but they have given as a plus community. So this is a different community. So this is all about the what is the, I mean, I think many of people even don't know about the acronyms of these LGBTQ. So this is the, I think I have just clearly explained what is the, what their meaning.
अरे मुझे भी नहीं आता, मुझको हर बार रेफर करना पड़ता है.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is not easy, basically, because now I am just explaining. Ki I also having earlier I was having the problem with this orientation. Now I am quite comfortable handling these people. So that is with the practice, because I am dealing with them. So why STD are cause of concern overall, not only for these, overall. So in 2023, over 2.4 million cases of the syphilis, gonorrhea, and chlamydia were diagnosed and reported. This includes over 209,000 cases of the syphilis, 600,000 cases of the gonorrhea, 1.6 million cases of the chlamydia. ये जो WHO की 12 नवंबर 24 की रिपोर्ट है, जो ऑफिशियल रिपोर्ट उन्होंने दी थी 21 मई 24 में. The report again notes a surge in the adult and the maternal syphilis, 1.1 million, and associated congenital syphilis, 523 cases per 100,000 live birth. So very much, I mean, very much cause of the concern. I don't know what all the gynecologists having the experience, but I am practicing now, I think 24 years of my practice. Earlier, I was not seeing the syphilis cases a lot, but now in last 5-6 years, we are seeing a lot of syphilis cases. So syphilis surge is, पहले जो है ये था कि syphilis शायद खत्म हो गया है, syphilis is going down, but again syphilis का surge आ रहा है. So my request to everyone, you are a gynecologist and आपके पास बहुत अच्छी एक window होती है to check the STD. So test for the syphilis as well once you are testing the other test or wherever you are feeling, because it is again a symptomless, multiple time of it is a symptomless disease. So you don't find any symptoms. So estimated STD in India, according to the available data, the estimated STI rate in India is around 6% of the adult population, which means roughly 6% of the adults in India are infected with one or more STI at the given time. This means approximately 30 million people affected based on the current population figure. So approximately 30 million people are affected with the STI in India. So that's why it is very important. अब STI in LGBTQ plus क्या है? Higher rates of certain STI जैसे कि syphilis, gonorrhea and HIV. Definitely in LGBTQ population it is very, very high. This population is a high risk population. Reason: limited access to healthcare and STI testing services, stigma and discrimination, common STI in the community, HIV, chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis. Regular testing is recommended. So I have just taken in a broader way. Key challenges in LGBTQ STI screening. First thing, main thing is the stigma and discrimination. पहली problem उनके साथ कि हम कहाँ जाएं, because they are always being looked differently at any healthcare setting, whether वो छोटा clinic हो, nursing home हो या फिर corporate hospital हो, सब जगह उनको differently देखा जाता है. So stigma and discrimination is so much. I mean, starting from the reception to the caretaker, everyone is looking at them differently. So that's why they are highly discriminated. So that's why having the stigma. उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम भी होती है तो वो नहीं जाते हैं और आसपास में अपने नीम हकीम से या अपने घर में ही और अपने इधर उधर से पूछ के ही कुछ ट्रीटमेंट कर लेते हैं. So that is which is creating a more problem. Lack of awareness and education, they don't know. कोई उनको पढ़ाने वाला तो है नहीं. So हमारे यहाँ वैसे ही sex education is absolutely, I mean, a big no. Nobody is teaching anybody, even हमारे बच्चों को नहीं पता कि what is the sex education. So nobody is teaching them, and so far them, because they are hiding their identity, so they don't know what can happen, how we are doing, what is the risky behavior. So fear of the positive result. किसी को पता है तो उसको लगता है कि अगर मैं पॉजिटिव आ गया तो अगर if she is a commercial sex worker तो she feels कि मेरा तो प्रोफेशन खराब हो जाएगा. If it is a transgender, so they also feel कि हमारे को कम्युनिटी से निकाल दिया जाएगा. गे पॉपुलेशन, उसको लगता है कि अब मैं कैसे अपने पार्टनर को बताऊं. So there are a lot of things. Accessibility issue, लिमिटेड एक्सेस टू द एलजीबीटीक्यू फ्रेंडली हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज, तो है ही नहीं, मतलब लिमिटेड क्या है ही नहीं इंडिया में, तो इट इज अबाउट ए बिग नो, कहीं भी कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक क्लिनिक नहीं है जहां पर एलजीबीटीक्यू फ्रेंडली क्लिनिक हो। सो प्राइवेसी कंसर्न डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग अपनी आइडेंटिटी को हाइड करते हैं, बाइसेक्सुअल होते हैं, उनके घर बार भी हैं, और बट दे आर हैविंग द सेक्सुअल ओरिएंटेशन डिफरेंटली विद द मेल और द फीमेल और हैविंग द फीमेल पार्टनर्स। सो दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम, मिसकंसेप्शन अबाउट द रिस्क, दे डोंट नो रिस्क है, उनको ये नहीं पता कि एचआईवी हो गया तो क्या होगा, या गोनोरिया है मुझे तो क्या होगा, नो, दे थिंक इट इज अ नॉर्मल थिंग। सो दैट्स हाउ स्पेसिफिक चैलेंज फॉर द डिफरेंट एलजीबीटीक्यू। एमएसएम के अपने चैलेंज हैं, ट्रांसजेंडर के अपने हैं, लेस्बियन और बाइसेक्सुअल वीमेन के अपने हैं, और एमएसएम बाइसेक्सुअल मैन के अपने हैं। एमएसएम सबसे ज्यादा रिस्की, हाई रेट्स ऑफ द एनल सेक्स कैन इंक्रीज द रिस्क ऑफ एसटीआई लाइक स्पेशली द एचआईवी, syphilis, gonorrhea, and chlamydia. Even this herpes also, even HPV also. I've just forgot to mention. Requiring more frequent screening and targeted testing approaches. Transgender individual, hormonal therapy and genital surgery can impact the STI risk and testing needs, because they are just doing the multiple surgeries for the transgender, so to look normal or to look differently, both way. So requiring careful consideration and consultation with a knowledgeable provider. Lesbian and bisexual women, though overlooked, lesbian and bisexual women can still be at risk of the STI like HPV, chlamydia, and gonorrhea, and may need appropriate screening. Although उनमें जो है स्पेशली एचआईवी का लेस्बियन पॉपुलेशन में एचआईवी होने के चांसेस नहीं होते हैं, so very rare if the partner is having, because they are not having the penetrating sex, but due to they are using the sex toys, or they are using the for the sexual intercourse, fingers, etc. So there are other infections, high rate of the infections like HPV, chlamydia, gonorrhea, or HPV is again because it is coming from the men, but somehow they are using the multiple sexual toys, or the different things they are using, or few are the bisexual, so that's why they can just have the different diseases. So a strategy to improve LGBTQ STI screening, definitely the education, counseling, and knowledge. So these are the three things, in readiness to handle these people. So for me it is normal now, who is coming to my clinic, whether it is a male, whether it is a female, whether it is a transgender, whether it is a MSM, whether it is a lesbian, or whether it is anybody, so bisexual. So but this comes with the practice, not overnight. It doesn't come overnight, you can just handle, because handling is totally different, non-judgmental. They should not feel, and they can feel very easily कि कौन किस तरह से बात कर रहा है, so how they are comfortable or not comfortable, so very important. So create welcoming environment, targeted outreach, implement community based initiative, एनोनिमस टेस्टिंग ऑप्शन, अगर हम उनको सिर्फ टेस्टिंग ऑप्शन, हमारे पास ऐसी किट्स होनी चाहिए, जैसे बाहर के देशों में कुछ ओरल किट्स हैं, कुछ किट्स हैं जो कि यहाँ पर आजकल यहाँ पर भी आ गई हैं, और अभी रिसेंटली NACO ने, नेशनल एड्स कंट्रोल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने डुअल किट को अप्रूव किया है, विच इज टेस्टिंग फॉर HIV and syphilis both, but that is yet to come to the centers, but they have just approved. So that is a very good, basically because always seen ki syphilis is on rise, so that's why with one kit both answer can be given, whether person is HIV positive or the syphilis positive. Okay, so promote open communication. So these are the things we need to do with this population. First thing, we should not feel like they are a different population. Although मेरे क्लिनिक पर भी मतलब कोई मेरा स्टाफ, अब तो मेरे स्टाफ को आदत हो गई है, बट इनिशियली अरे मैम ये क्या था मैम, या वो दे लिसन टू द हिस्ट्री, सो दे जस्ट टेक इट डिफरेंटली. So you need to counsel, not only you need to like counsel yourself, I am ready to take these patients, but to counsel the staff as well, because the first encounter is those are having. Most commonly sexually transmitted infections for LGBT community, HIV, chlamydia, and syphilis. HIV and AIDS, we know early symptoms अगर जो है जब होता है flu-like symptoms, fever, fatigue, swollen lymph node, sores around the mouth, anus or genitalia, and the rapid weight loss. But these are the late symptom. Weight loss is a very late symptom. So 8 से 10 साल तक person don't know even कि HIV AIDS है, but he can transmit. the infection, he can get another STD. So this is how basically all the disease are the symptomless. So you cannot make out any idea unless tested कि person को HIV है. Chlamydia same, unusual vaginal discharge. Yeah, definitely the person can feel, but if he is going to the clinic, so discharge from the penis, painful urination, itching on vagina or the penis. These can be the symptoms of the chlamydia. Syphilis may not have any symptoms because earlier, if the small painless ulcer around the vagina, penis or anus, they ignore. क्योंकि पेनलेस है, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर इग्नोरिंग कि कुछ हुआ था. उनसे हिस्ट्री भी पूछो ना. आजकल जो भी पेशेंट आता है कि जिसको सिफिलिस पॉजिटिव है कि भाई कभी हुआ था, उसको याद ही नहीं होता कि कभी उसको कोई ऐसा अल्सर भी हुआ था. बट दैट इज मस्ट कि हुआ होगा. Red itchy rash on the palms of the hand and the soles of the feet. I have seen these cases. I mean, person coming to me कि मैडम ये हाथ पे कुछ काले काले निशान हो गए. इवन रेड नहीं, काले काले निशान है, कुछ नहीं होता, इची नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. हथेलियों पर आई सा कि टोज पर भी है, पैर दिखाओ, फुट पर भी. So this is a very very clear sign of the syphilis. Once you are seeing कि वो काले काले पैच हो गए. कुछ लोग तो आपको लगता होगा ना कि कुछ पकड़ के कि हमारे को बर्तन मांजते मांजते ऐसे निशान हो गए. No, they are just equal, multiple, and I mean on both the feet. It can be on the chest. I have seen the patient with the who came with the whole body कि मेरे को रैशेस हो रहे हैं मैम, किसी से भी बहुत दिन से ट्रीटमेंट ले रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं ठीक हुआ. No one does the simple VDRL test. VDRL positive, highly positive. Treated and dramatically all the rashes gone. कोई problem नहीं हुई. So white patches in the mouth, you can just see that the mouth में patches हैं. So these are the common symptoms of these three commonly found diseases in the LGBTQ. Diagnosis of STD कैसे होता है? Definitely with the sexual history and the current symptoms. Main thing, history is very very important. Physical examination, pelvic examination to look at sign of the infection. So which I mean all the gynecologists are doing definitely the per vaginal examination, but we are not doing even in the hospital when the HIV patient is admitted. I'm just asking जिस भी यूनिट में एडमिट हुआ भाई किसी ने इसका क्या एनल एग्जामिनेशन किया था? So nobody does. Penile examination किया था? Nobody does. No. But this is very important. If I am having the HIV positive patient, this is the must thing I want कि every patient should be seen कि उसकी vaginal या उसके जो है पेनिस पर कोई rashes, क्योंकि because there are the other STDs, बिना किसी उसके generally चीजें नहीं होती हैं. और with the anal examination you can easily make out. Sometimes I send कि भाई कोई मेल है, लोगों को आता भी नहीं है, even residents don't know कि anal examination कैसे किया जाता है, anal examination में क्या देखना है. So this is the things we have to refer. If you don't have to send to the surgeon. Surgeon बताएगा हाँ मैडम anal opening wide थी और इसमें ये अंदर जो है rashes है, it is not hemorrhoid, there are something else. So we need to do this thing. We should take the help of the people who are doing this. So test क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? There are blood tests to diagnose the STD. There are urine tests. Fluid or discharge जो है, we test for them, and smears, we can make the smears also. So these are the modalities available for diagnosing the STD. Test क्या CDC क्या कहता है? Test जो especially for the gay population या LGBTQ. HIV must test syphilis, hepatitis B, C, chlamydia and gonorrhea of the rectum if had anal sex in the past year. Gonorrhea of the throat if performed the oral sex in the past year. So oral sex. We are not taking any history of the oral sex, which is a very common but the most safe sexual modality. So available test, viral markers हैं हमारे पास जो आप यूजुअली करते हैं. HIV, हेपेटाइटिस बी, हेपेटाइटिस सी, STI पैनल है जिसमें कि VDRL भी आ जाता है. HIV, हेपेटाइटिस बी, हेपेटाइटिस सी, VDRL एक्सटेंडेड STI पैनल है जो कि ऑल द टेस्ट HIV, हेपेटाइटिस बी, हेप सी, VDRL प्लस HSV प्लस TPHA, क्लैमिडिया, IgG, TPHA और प्लस क्लैमिडिया एंड IgG एंटीबॉडी, ये सब भी करते हैं. तो ये भी अवेलेबल है. STI पैनल नाउ PCR is also available for 9 tests with the urine sample, simple urine sample, and they are just giving you the history of the gonorrhea, the chlamydia, and all the 9 specific test जो हम लोग I mean as a STD देखते हैं. So these are the things which are available. Only thing we should know what is available and when and what to rightly advise. because every test has cost, so we need to do the win-win situation for both कि patient को भी problem नहीं हो और हम diagnose भी proper कर लें. और बहुत सारी चीजें तो आपके सिर्फ examination से पता चल जाती है. Which STI can be passed on from the oral sex? Chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, herpes, or even the human papilloma virus. Although basically because हम जो मैन में क्या कहते हैं कि पेनाइल कैंसर हो सकता है, एनल कैंसर हो सकता है, ओरल कैंसर हो सकता है. So which is because of the HPV virus. So these are the things which are because of the STI can be passed from the oral sex. Prevention क्या है? सबसे पहले तो screening is the main important thing. Consistent condom use for every kind of the sex, whether they are just having the oral sex, anal sex, or the vaginal sex. So condom is the best method. Barrier method is the best, simple, cheapest, and preventable. After that, then syndromic management of the STI starting में, but syndromic management के अपने pros and cons. I mean pros है कि आपको जो है उसी टाइम में management हो जाता है, और cons यही है कि वो बहुत सारा drug resistance आजकल देखने को मिल रहा है. Option of the PrEP for HIV in addition to the condom. Doxy PrEP, this is another option for few STD. Proper treatment of STI in both the partner to reduce the transmission further. That is very important. Vaccination, such vaccination like hepatitis B and HPV, very good. Both vaccines are very good vaccine, and both are once in lifetime vaccine and has a good results. So these vaccines should be used, and very simple vaccine. So to prevent the hepatitis B, because hepatitis B also on surge, HPV also, so we can use these vaccines. And definitely the treatment, regular, if we are just having any disease, so timely treatment can reduce the further transmission. So basically, because you cannot change the behavior of the person. If you ask any gay person, no, you are doing this wrong, you should have the vaginal sex, you should marry, this will not work. Like I've just shown you with the lesbian, that history, if they do with the force, I have a lot of patients, bisexual patients, who have just been married forcefully, but this is now, the problematic for the whole family, because wife is not happy, he's not paying attention, he's not having sex with the wife also, or if he's having forcefully, like occasional to not to reveal the identity, so that is he's just he's giving the disease to the wife, as well as he's bringing the disease, and he's having the lot of different sexual communication outside. So that is how it is dangerous, and it is important. So this was all about, I just took it briefly after this your music session, because थोड़ा सा टॉपिक बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग, मतलब लोगों के लिए उतना इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है. So that's why I've just taken the main point कि at least every gynecologist should know कि what is the meaning of everything and how they are different and what we can do. So if any questions, I am ready